So today's video is gonna be a simple. So I'm gonna show you how you can add a calculator with the help of ChatGPT and with the help of AI. You can add a calculator in your Shopify account as I've shown here like this. This is a little bit layout engaged, and in this layout you can see the tile types, like these are the colors, and you can type anything like 3 to 4. So price will be according to that. Okay, so now after that you will go to the checkout. Now what you have to do to add this type of calculator, first of all you have to go to your basic where your website is created, and you can see all the things. Now I'm editing here. With the help of that you can edit your tiles name, like it is in meters. You can change it into the feet or into the millimeters, or you can just add 10% waste in matte carpets, because there are 10% waste always coming up. So you can do these all things. Like after that you have to write your formula from here, and like this I have seal room length meters and to this and this. So I'm going to show you one more calculator which is more specific and more easier version for that. So I have created one is this, and the second is this. So now going towards the second one, let me make this to maximize to show you more clearly. Let me show you, like this is the length and this is the width. User will enter length and width, and according to that will be calculated. And these are the colors like green and blue, all of that. Now in this formula you can see we have simply multiplied all of the factors, like one is the length factor, width factor, and add waste and color. Here you can see all the factors are connected, and in suffix we have just implemented per unit and installer. So these are the things may vary, and now I'm going to preview this. You can also make sure that all things are okay, and you can preview there. Okay, so this is a little bit engaged size. So let me show you another uh, which is perfectly meshed with all the things. Let me show you that other one, like this one. This would be 100% appropriate because we have created this, and we don't have mentioned any type of extra thing to make a visible look weird. Okay, so this is okay. This is also engaged. It's not a problem. When you go in there you will see this will be the okay. Sometimes it goes out of the window and sometimes it goes inside the window, so it will be okay once it will be updated and a day is coming out to that, to make sure that all the things are updated correctly. So after that I'm going to show you how I got this and which type of application I'm using here. So this is Apipa custom calculator. Here you can see. So now I'm just going to make sure that you will see that you can say the application in your store too. Okay, so let me share one more important thing. Okay, so this is Shopify store. Okay, store, app store. So let me share one more link with you. Okay, so this is, or you can just simply leave this on your Shopify app store.